Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. So we're continuing to work on the Gloria blanket, and I wanted to show you this section here between my fingers, which is one complete repeat, which happens to be 32 stitches because we are on round 32. So I'm going to teach you how to make this section here in case you need some help, especially with this increase on round 32 of the Gloria blanket. And the description below will have all the details on how to get this complete pattern, and there's a few other videos that I've made to help you along the way, but the complete pattern can be found in the description below. Okay, so at the beginning of this round and at the beginning of each repeat, we are working with 3 colors here. So I'm getting my colors straightened out. We're going to start with 3 navy double crochets. So holding the other yarns in place, we're working over them for 1, 2, and every time we change colors, we do half of the stitch, then yarn over with the new color. So we're now yarning over to complete the 3rd double crochet with the new color, which happens to be the multi. We are now going to multi for 12. 1, carrying the other unused yarns as if they are not there, working over them. 3, 4, 5. This is an advanced pattern, but you can do it. It's just a matter of taking it one stitch at a time, reading the instructions carefully, making sure you understand each repeat before you go on to work the entire round, especially as the rounds get longer. And since I am designing as I go, I thought I'm never going to probably make this a second time and able to make videos for it. So I should capture videos while I'm making it. So this is currently October of 2020. That is not year 2000. So here we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 multis, but I'm going to pull back because I needed to pull through with the new color, which happens to be the navy. So here's the tricky increase. So I'm going to pull up the navy. I'm going to yarn over and pull through, finishing that multi-stitch with the navy. I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch and in the next stitch, changing color to the periwinkle on the finishing of that 2nd navy double crochet. Now we are going to increase just 1 stitch here with the periwinkle. So I'm going to do a double crochet 2 together using the 2 stitches between my thumbs. So one leg is going to go here and the other is going to go there. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch where the navy one just was, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and do the same thing in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and we're changing color back to the navy. So I am going to yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook with the navy. Then I will navy in the same spot that has already been used. So navy double crochet here, 1, navy double crochet here, but changing color to the multi, drop the navy, pick up the multi, pull through with the multi, make sure my tension is correct, and now we are at 12 multicolored double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we are back to the beginning of the repeat where the star is, and we will do that same thing again. I'll pull up with the navy, and we'll start back just like this with 3 navy. So I hope that helps you with round 32 of the Gloria blanket. I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much.